Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme P3 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and let me turn it off. And in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and correctly. Alright, let's tap on Next. And here you will have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, of course tap on I agree after the reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want, you can remove it. Simply tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Remove Account, tap on Remove Account, and as you can see, it will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.